ukhangela kule ndawo kuthiwa yiNkayi Center, but iNkayi Center ngenxa yokuthi uyakhona ukuthi eKwekwe, uyakhona ukuthi usengalelo phandle. But i-center ungakhangela imephu kukhona apha koDakamele. Uma ungakhangela imephu yakhona, iDakamele ise-center le-center kwemephu eNkayi. Surround kuyo yonke indawo nje nxa uyikhangela imephu yakhona. E-center le-center ungayikhangela imephu kule ndawo kuthiwa koDakamele. Asiyo indawo encane nje, okuyindawo okuncane nje. But also a good thing about indawo encane, uyakwanisa ukuba wazi bonke abantu bakho. Bafika abangaziyo koDakamele. From Nkayi to Dakamele, first thing what I should say ukuthi from Bulawayo to Nkayi, it's 158 kilometers. Then from Nkayi to Dakamele, it's 47 kilometers. Okwenza kube maybe 205 kilometers all together. So for umuntu oyabe efisa ukuya koDakamele, uyabe kwazi ukuthi I'm prepared for 205 kilometers. Lanxa 205 kilometers maybe uhambe nge-1 hour 30 minutes or 2 hours depending ngemoto. Ngithi ukuya koDakamele it's an experience. Ukuthi awuhambi 2 hours, uyahamba 4 to 5 hours kuya ngokuthi uhamba ngayiphi imoto.